Going over the early trade today, we had a big day yesterday in the stock indexes, over 20K in both of these workspaces. Today, right now, we are down about 1,700 as we speak. Gave a lot back, not a lot, but about, we were down around 7K at the open with a lot of strategies, and so this counter trend rally is very choppy and it's taken over, but nice long trades right now. Cobra 3 E-mini S&P long 31.55.75 up 1,000. Cobra 3 E-mini Nasdaq 89.55 up 13.90. SR Counter Trend 2 E-mini S&P minus 8.25. Gap Fill Master plus 175. Adaptive Moving Average up 287.50, and that changes by the tick. Gap Continuation stopped out twice again today. Very tight stop loss on that. Minus 650 on the day. Stock Index Swing minus 1,025. AT 2020 E-mini S&P. This is a strategy that had this huge short trade, and now it's up plus 300 on the long side. Really nice strategy. AT 2020 E-mini S&P short only. Okay, that didn't take a trade because it's short only. It's basically the same entry, so it'd be like one strategy that took two contracts on the short side and one contract on the long side. This one does better on the short side. So over the years, it's hard to find a good short strategy. When you do, you want to balance it out if you have long only strategies. So SR Counter Trend 2 V2 1M, E-mini S&P minus 725, SR Counter Trend 2 V2 5M minus 725. Those are the trades in this workspace. All strategy access to stock index portfolio AT 2020 E-mini Nasdaq minus 725, AT 2019 E-mini S&P 112.50. Tick count trend NQ had a big day yesterday. This is one of the big days yesterday, over 2,000. Minus 625 stopped out today on the long side. SR Counter Trend 2. Now these are interesting because we have a series of SR Counter Trend 2 V2 1M NQ. Hit its $600 profit target really fast. Took that short trade. Just a little blip on the screen is plus 600, and then the SR Counter Trend 2 V2 1MES also got short, minus 725. It didn't have as big of a this move down didn't quite move down to the profit target like it did in the NQ, so it was stopped out. So between those two trades, about minus 150. And then the same scenario on SR Counter Trend 2 V2M 1M NQ, and right here on 5M, SR Counter Trend 2 V2M 5M minus 725 plus 575. Again, a quick profit target on that short trade, and then a quick loss on this short trade. And then we have the 15-minute E-mini S&P getting short. It's minus 250. So most of our strategies are long today, and this is the one strategy that is on the short side. The delayed entry on the short side. The early entries were mixed on these SR Counter Trend 2s. If it was on the NQ, it hit a profit target on some of these, and then on the ES, it was stopped out. So those are the early trades on the stock indexes. Let's look at gold. Here's Cobra Euro as well. Cobra Euro is minus 75 on the day. Gold Flash, big day yesterday, minus 825 today. Asia Gold 4, minus 525. And then these SR Counter Trend 2 and 4 gold were stopped out at minus 825 each on those. And this is my research platform. I need to roll over the front months on silver, soybeans, RBOB, and natural gas. I sent an email out about that. And I like this trade. This is one of my favorite trade setups today. Is SR Counter Trend 3 crude oil A and B took the short trade after Cobra Crude took the long trade. So if you're trading these strategies, you would get long. For example, your real world trades in crude oil would look like this: long 49.90, sell it at 50.44, so up $540, and then you're long again at 49.94. So this strategy is flat, and Cobra Crude is still long. So I like those setups when you trade both sides and you exit at different times and different prices. Gives you the opportunity to make money on the long and the short side. Cobra Gold was the one short gold strategy today, plus 575 on that trade. All strategy access 5, No trades today. That's the early trade for February the 26th, 2020.